How about that copper coolant line, huh? Alright, so let's I like to cheat a little bit when I can. If you ain't cheating, you ain't winning. So our distributor, that's number 2, that's number 1. So I like to just right here on. Okay, so this is number 1 right here. Now that point needs to point to spark plug number 1 over here. Now we're kind of pointing at number 1. That's 12 degrees. Okay, so now I know where to set my distributor for first start, which will hopefully get us pretty close to the ballpark. Alright guys, so here is kind of how the small block's going to end up. Got the Edelbrock carburetor, intake, valve covers, why not. I added this copper coolant line. I know I wanted to take the heat from the back of the cylinders and put it to the front. I've seen people doing these copper lines. I kind of liked it. I said I had to try it, so here's my copper line. On the other side, the rear one's going to go to the heater, circle back, come to the water pump. So I'm not worried about that side. I probably will do some copper, play with it, come out, go towards the heater core, and then just put a barb fitting on the end of it. But we ain't there yet, so I'm just getting it ready for an engine run stand right now. Actually, all this has to come off because I still have to paint the intake, so this is kind of just mocking up right now. But I do need to make my own spark plug wires. I wanted to have that nice custom look, so I bought these cheap things off of eBay or Amazon, and so we're going to use these to kind of dress it up, I guess. So let's go ahead and put in our separators here. I did buy a different set of separators I thought about using, but honestly, for simplicity, I think this is going to be the way to go. I had bought these, which I kind of like these better, but there's really not going to be a way to mount them on here. So maybe I'll use them back here. Alright, so I got my spark plugs in. I gapped them out 45. That'll be plenty. As for the other side, I do have some boots for the header side. Probably not needed on this, but we got them. We'll use them. I forgot what color the wires were. Alright. What do we get? Moroso wires. Alright, so I think our number 2 wire is going to be the longest. So it looks like we got 2 really long wires. Alright, let's do something. Alright, so this is our spark plug end. So this end's going to go on our spark plug. I'm going to attempt to go around the header. Now I know that was the spark plug end because this tells me distributor end. So from here, we need to go there. So we have our wire about the length we want. A little bit long. Alright, so we're gonna right in the middle is our stripper. So that's what we want. I just like to turn it a little bit. So there's our conductor. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this right at the tip. Just going to turn it in. Turn it in. We need this wire to go on the back side. So now I want my Moroso made in USA to stand out, so I'm going to slide it back. And we want the wire to push through just a little bit, just about 1/8 of an inch past the conductor here. Okay, so we're gonna, these crimped ends aren't very workable. So wide they are, they don't really fit in the crimper very well. So this is where we're crimping at, and we got the top's got the notch, and when we put it in, you can see that it don't even go in the right spot. So I crimped it down probably too much, but now all the ends fit in there. Not where I want it to. Alright, so I'm just going to get it in there, get it prepped. Alright, we got our wire, number 5, ready to go. This is the back side. Now it's probably going to be a little harder to get in there. I think I went a little overboard with this one. So I think I did. Okay, so I just opened it up a little bit. Now we'll slide it on. It's crimped. Put a little dialite grease on it. Number 5. I want to thank you for following along as we go through this quick little project. Stay tuned, we're going to be doing some more stuff soon. I do have a transmission I have to take out and do some stuff too. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to follow along.